Luminous Hairsprays. They both offer long-lasting, flexible hold without leaving a sticky residue. They are great workable hairsprays that provide a reflective shield of shine that fights against frizz and humidity, leaving the hair with a soft, natural feel. Luminous Hairspray Medium has a medium hold and can be brushed out easily without weighing down the hair. Luminous Hairspray Strong is a great finishing hairspray. Its stronger hold will keep any set or style in place while still leaving hair with a soft feel. Hold can approximately 10 inches or 25 centimeters from hair and spray. For added volume, spray directly onto roots. To recreate soft waves from the day before, wrap hair in Velcro rollers and spray. Let hair set for 15 minutes before removing rollers and shaking out waves. Reapply a light layer of Luminous Hairspray Strong to finish. For a tousled, casual look, place hair in a soft, twisted bun on top of head. Spray with Luminous Hairspray Strong and let set for 15 minutes. Remove bun and shake out without brushing. Apply a light layer of spray to finish.